Now the battle wages on over who will pick the next sheriff of St. Louis. Mayor Carrie Spencer laid it all out in a letter to the Board of Aldermen sent hours before the new year. Our Justina Cornell is reading through that 5-page letter. She's live downtown with the very latest for us. Justina.
Well, Brent, a lot has happened within the last 24 hours in regards to the sheriff's selection. Now let's break down the latest two moves. One is the Public Safety Committee that was scheduled for tomorrow has been canceled, and the mayor is bringing receipts to the table.
This has gotten very complicated very fast.
That's to say the least. We tapped St. Louis University law professor Anders Walker and 5 on Your Side's political analyst Anita Mannion to break down this complex case in selecting St. Louis City's next sheriff.
It is a political position, and there's a lot of jobs on the line. The sheriff gets to hire and fire. So there may be something here about who's going to get the job and who's got more friends in City Hall.
And Mannion believes a power dynamic may be at play.
And part of this is a push for power. Who has this power in city government? Is it the mayor or is it the Board of Aldermen? And so this isn't just about this one situation, but it's setting the tone for the entire term.
To break down the latest, on Thursday, a public safety committee scheduled for Friday is now canceled. This meeting was meant for sheriff applicants to testify for a special election. However, on New Year's Eve, Missouri's Attorney General filed a petition to pause efforts for a special election by the Board of Aldermen. Also on New Year's Eve, St. Louis Mayor Carrie Spencer sent this 5-page letter with receipts to the Board of Aldermen. In mid-December, the city and the Board of Aldermen agreed to have the board's participation in court arguments involving the sheriff working as a united front. But then the mayor's office learned through a December 23rd email that Board of Aldermen President Megan Green rescinded that agreement and hired outside counsel to intervene against the city, all while using public funds. Documents show Green's office was looking at hiring outside attorneys to represent the board at rates that could reach $500 an hour. But the comptroller rejected the request to pay outside lawyers.
I think when we see these public disputes, it's bad for government and it's bad for public trust. And it really is wasting time and money that we could use to move forward.
Now, the Attorney General is asking for a hearing on Monday in regards to an attempted block for this special election. Now, I reached out to Megan Green, and she won't comment pending litigation. Now, the courts say they really don't know next steps until at least January 22nd. Until then, there is an interim sheriff in place. Reporting live, Justina Cornell, 5 on Your Side.